Everyone loves to hear great feedback, and really, we're no different. When we receive a 5-star review, we just want to shout it out from the mountaintops. That's why we're so happy to share this one with you right now. This is a powerful testament to our dedicated team effort that always ensures a 5-star experience with us. As you can see, we truly pay attention to everyone's needs and put them first each and every time. And the feedback keeps coming in to prove it. We'll work just as hard to make you happy too, the best way we know how, by providing you with incredible service. We'd love the chance to give you a 5-star experience too. So thank you for visiting us today. We look forward to doing business with you. Contact us anytime.